Hello YouTube, I have a problem over here. I have an IBM desktop computer, and every time I try to do Windows update it would shut down on me. The model that I have is this one here, is a K330 Desktop, ideacentre type 7727, and that's a serial number. I don't know if it matters, but that's what the computer looks like right here. It's a desktop. It always worked really well, but now I'm having a problem where it would shut down for no reason. That's what the computer looks like. It's been a great computer. It's an i7 computer, and I've been really happy with it, but lately it's been acting really weird. Anyway, let me show you the problem that I'm dealing with right here. It would shut down and I would get this blue screen right here. It would shut down like unexpectedly, and I would get this, see that Kmode here, stop code, Kmode, exception not handled. I don't know what a Kmode is. I did a lot of research online. I tried to go through Microsoft to figure out what's going on, whether it's a hardware or a software issue, and I have not been able to really narrow it down. It gave me this QR code over here to use, but when I use this QR code, it doesn't take me to a specific solution. It just takes me to the Microsoft Help Center. But they don't directly address what the Kmode problem is. Let me show you other photos. I don't know if it would help or not, but I'm just going to show them to you anyway. See, like I'm in the process over here of updating. I just took a bunch of photos. I'm in the process of updating Windows, and in the middle of the update it would just quit. It would just reboot, and I would get that Kmode. See right here? That's that IBM computer that I just showed you, the K330. It's been a great computer, but it would just reboot, and I would get this every time. If you guys could help me out, I'd really appreciate it. The computer has been working perfectly, but now with the new Windows update, I don't know if it's a new Windows update or something else, I'm not sure. But I'm definitely having that Kmode. Let me make that a little bigger here. Boom, made it too small. Okay. It tells me to go to this windows.com stop code link, but that doesn't really, it says it's a possible fix, but that doesn't really help anything. Okay, it's Kmode right here. This thing's been giving me a hell of a time. If you guys know the solution for this, I would really greatly appreciate it. Let me make that bigger again. Again, it's an IBM computer. Let me go back. I don't know if it makes any difference, but I've noticed when I was reading some of these help articles, I've noticed that other people are having problems. It doesn't really matter if it's an IBM or any other computer. It's oh, one thing I do want to mention, I don't know if it would help you guys or not, but if I go into safe mode and use the computer, it would never shut down. So I don't know if that's an indication of software issue. Yeah, so if you guys could help me, it would be really awesome. Again, it's an IBM K330. You got the model and serial number over here. It's an ideacentre. If you guys have some solutions for me, I would really appreciate it. This thing's been driving me nuts. I've been trying to solve this issue for quite a long time. Your device ran into a problem and needs to restart. We're just collecting some more error info, and then we'll restart it for you. 42%. This is for more information. Go to that link over here, which really doesn't help at all. And then it tells me it's called Kmode. Kmode not handle, whatever that means. If you guys could help me out, I really appreciate it. You guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for listening to me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Take it easy, guys. Bye-bye.